big sell-off. One thing you can't say about this season is that it hasn't punished companies that disappoint. Alex Coffey joins us with a look at Groupon. Oof, this is bad stuff. Alex, down, what, 35%?
Stock's down 35%. Incredibly, though, Oliver, when you look at it, it's still up just under 1% on the year. So tremendous amount of volatility in this stock, 200% off its lows, but nearly 50% off its year-to-date highs as well. So a lot of swings here. Move today is a post-earnings reaction in which the stock missed on its quarterly results, disappointed on its revenue outlook for the following quarter as well as the entire fiscal year of 2024, and announced a rights offering to basically help finance a struggling business. Let's go through some of the numbers. 12-cent loss, did miss the consensus EPS estimate of an 11-cent profit. Revenue just under the consensus, a $126.5 million, just below the ranging between, let's call it 126.7 to, I've seen numbers around 128 as well. We have on their screen, you can see 16-cent loss and 131. Not a ton of analysts cover this stock, so you do see kind of a wide range depending on which one you're looking at. Interim CEO of Groupon did talk about moving from a cost-cutting first mindset to a top-line growth first mindset and kind of turning their focus back that direction. They said that they didn't make a ton of progress on their key projects, but they did see sequential improvement in their financial performance. Local billings returning to growth was one of the things that they talked about. Announcing a plan to raise upwards of $100 million through asset sales, and then of course the $80 million from the equity rights offering that I talked about briefly. That equity rights offering, seeing as something diluting shares, is probably as much of a culprit for this pretty substantial decline today as anything in the results. Also, co-founder and former board member Eric Lakovsky did resign from the board effective immediately. So always kind of something to look at in a struggling business when you see sort of that changing of the guard happen. And of course, a co-founder in some ways being ousted, although it is a resignation, read it as you will, is usually a pretty good indication of some of that struggle and a refocus towards something else in terms of recovery.
All right, let me see if I can get an exclusive comment from the company real quick. Hey, Groupon! Okay, nothing. That's a joke because they're right above us. All right, thanks, Alex Coffey, for the update on the company getting hammered. Rough, but after a really big comeback year, seems like maybe there's still a debate to be had about what role they're going to play in the market, but obviously a stock that's been troubled long term.